welcome to Linux. Today we're gonna see how to install Linux Dash on Oracle Linux 8.8. Linux Dash is a open source web-based server monitored tool for Linux machine. This tool will display system properties such as CPU load, login, user, RAM usage, disk usage, internet speed, network connection, RX/DX bandwidth, running processor, etc. First, I am going to check the OS version by using the below command. The OS version of the Oracle Linux is 8.8. Next, I am going to install the dependency that are required for Linux Dash application by using the below command. Next, I am going to install Git by using the below command. Next, I am going to clone the Linux Dash package by the GitHub by using the below command. Long list the file. This is the file. Next, move the directory into the Apache root directory by using the below command. Next, create a virtual host configuration for accessing Linux Dash by using the below command. Add those following. Save and exit from the file. Next, enable and start and check the status of Apache by using the below commands. Apache service is active and running. Next, I am going to stop and disable and check the status of firewall by using the below commands. Firewall is inactive. Next, I am going to disable SC Linux by using the below command. Next, I am going to restart the Apache service by using the below command. Next, to open the web browser and enter the IP address. This is the dashboard of LinuxOS. As you can see from the below image, you can monitor system properties such as CPU load, RAM usage, disk usage, internet speed, network connection, and running processes, etc. This is the process to install Linux on Oracle Linux 8.8.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.